open JIRA Atlassian.com. You can get started, continue with Google if you have an account, or else you can create also. So I just want to go ahead with the same. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, simply I am giving any name. When you are giving, you cannot give capital letters, it will not allow you to create. You can give small letters and numbers. Okay, you can choose anything here, otherwise you can just click on next. So since this is a Kanban board, okay, this is a Kanban board, you can choose some other project also. Okay, so this is my project. Okay, this is my Kanban, my project name. Here this is my name. Okay, if you want to create, you can create a task here. Okay, usually how they will follow means, since I am the only person, it is showing my name only. If you want to add people, I can click on here. If I give their mail ID here, it will ask it will ask to send the invitation. If I click on add, you can add the people. Okay, so that if I have, suppose if I am having 7 members in my team, I am going to add all the team details here. Okay, now after adding all the details like this, all the people names will come here. This is my project now. Okay, so I will be having some stories, right? So in this to-do list, if I have a story assigned to me, it will be coming in my to-do list. Okay, so on the day of sprint 1, it will be in my to-do list. What I will do, if I start working on some one task, suppose I have 4 tasks assigned. Okay, suppose I have 4 tasks assigned in my list. Okay, I have to work on those 4 tasks. Today I have started task 1, so I have to drag this and put it here, so it will be in progress. So I am working on that one. Okay, and next day I have started another task also. I will drag and put it in progress. So 2 tasks I have started on some 4. After some 3-4 days, I have completed one of the tasks. So when I have completed this task, I have to drag the task and put it here in the done. Okay, since this is free version of sample, I cannot show you those complete details. If it is a paid version, I can show you all the details. Okay, now you understood, right? Whatever the work that is assigned for us, it will be displayed in a list here. If it is in progress, I can drag it and drop it here. If it is done, I will drag it and drop it here. So on the day 1, it will be, everything will be in the to-do list. On day 30, that means on the last day of my sprint, everything should be in the done list. So that is how it should be working. So how we have to write a story and all. Okay, here you see, we can see epic. Here you can see epic. As I told you, epic means nothing but set of stories related to some same functionality we will be putting under one epic. Okay, so I have to first create one epic. Under this I have to add number of stories. Okay, how I have to add a story? If I click on the add issue type, I can see story. Okay, story, just click on add. Okay, if I am writing a story, I have to give the details, right? So here in the description I have to give like this is belonging to login story, story. Okay, then the user should be able to log in into the application. Okay, like this I am going to give the description of the story and I am going to save it. Okay, if I have something, anything attached, then I have to attach, and then I am going to save it. After saving, see the status. Initially it will be in to-do list, right? So no status will be there. Here you can see something called assigning. You can assign it to whomever you want to assign. Okay, like this all the stories we can assign. One stories, if developers usually have stories, so they will get stories. So what will a tester will have means, he will have a task. Okay, what is the task means? Task means any kind of work we will be getting. Either it is related to test case design, it can be related to test case execution, or else it can be a direct test case also. So sometimes you can either write the test cases directly in the description box here, and test case, testing steps, test step results, screenshot attached, everything you will do it here itself. Results also they will be updating here only, and they will make it as done. At test case details they will be giving here in the task. Okay, we can add subtask also. Otherwise, if you are having some bugs, we can erase here here only. Okay, I am going to add this bug type also. Now see, this is the bug. Here, as I told you already, in the we have to raise the bugs, right? When we are seeing something which is deviated from the expected, we have to raise the bugs. Now how we are going to raise the bug? First we have to give the description of the defect. What is the defect we are having, what is we are facing. Then testing steps, how to test this one, what is the data that you used to test. Okay, then test data, what data you used for testing. Okay, then what is the expected result. Okay, expected result. Then what is the actual result. Okay, now what expected result, actual result. Then if you are having any screenshot also you can attach. In which environment you are getting this bug, is it in the test environment or is in the UAT environment, you have to mention. Okay, so if there is anything else you want to attach, or story name, story number also, you can everything you can mention in the description box, and then you can assign it to the developer. Okay, initially yesterday we were discussing about 2 days back we were discussing about defect life cycle, right? So what is defect life cycle? We have seen some sort of stages, right? Like verified, retest, fixed, okay, done, or else like open, close, right? So these are all the defect life cycle stages, right? So we will be seeing the status of that one. So initially it will be new, then it will be, the status will be assigned, then status will be like new, after that open, then assigned, then it will be like verified, and it will be like retest and fixed. So many things will be there. So this is the status. To whom we want to assign, for that person we can assign this one. So epic will have so many stories, that means related to one epic will have same kind of stories, that is all put into one epic. Okay, like that we can have any number of epics, then many stories, then a task will be assigned, then finally bug will be there. Bug means we are going to raise a defect when we are finding any defects. Okay, so in this bug field only we are going to update anything. Here we can attach the screenshot also. Okay, screenshot, or if we are having any screenshot also we can able to attach here. And then finally if we save it, the bugs will be saved, and then this JIRA will give you one bug ID. You can update that bug ID to the developer also. Okay, so that is how it is, same like agile. So this is mostly used by agile team only. So if we go back, you can see okay, this is my board, and this as of now there is no one. Okay, understood? That's all about JIRA.